It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. What's up, everybody? My goodness, today is a green day, looking very nice right now. Who do we have in the chat? Frank is first again. My goodness, Frank. Frank is fast. I think he should change his name to Frank. Fast Frank. Fast Frank is who we got in the chat right now. What's up, Clay, bro? What's going on, man? Happy belated birthday, Nick F. Oh, yes. What up, Clay? Food Critic, how you doing, man? Birthday. Oh, my gosh. Autofill. Yes, that's the one. Birthday. Peyton, man is late for his own live stream. Darn it. But I'm here now. It's all good. Peyton, thanks for this 699 super chat there, man. Really appreciate that. I thought I was enjoying vacation a little bit too much. No, me? No, definitely not. Never. Unless you're talking about somebody else. We might be talking about somebody else. Let's go, AMC driving my late friend. Good morning. I'm not late, man. It's 11:20. Maybe my clock is wrong because it says 11:20 on here. So I think my clock might be wrong. Oh, goodness. Guys, look at this wedge holding up for AMC. I know we were down here after hours yesterday, but boom, we opened back up right in that wedge right there. God, it's amazing how much this wedge is really holding up right now. So we might see a decent little day today for AMC stock, bouncing up to about $40 per share. We got around $39.50 right now. We could see some resistance at 40 and then boom. So that's that wedge right there. You guys want to see another beautiful wedge that is really doing exactly what it says it's going to do. Boom. This one. We saw that breakout this morning. If we can continue this movement, it would be beautiful. We need to see this guy maintain. Shiba needs to maintain its movement to the upside right here because we did break out of that wedge with a big old attitude. So that is looking good as well. And let's go back out to the customized view because here we are. Love you, brother. Devin Shu, how you doing? What's up, Clay? James, how you doing? Is Robinhood down? Space Ape, that actually I do not know. Is Robinhood down, guys? What's going on with Robinhood? Nick F, is Robinhood down? Let us know. Prague, 314. AMC, 3918. GME, 203. Shiba, 5435. Beautiful morning so far. Oh my goodness. Farmy sitting at 3229. Can't sustain a move to the upside to save its stinking life. EVGO, let's go EVGO. Loving Denny, loving the electric vehicles. I like it, man. Shiba Army shades. We got the Shiba Army in here. Robinhood's working for me. Cindy, thank you very much. Guys, that's the beauty of having everybody in the chat. If one of the platforms seems to be down on your device, it might not be down for everybody. Excellent place to ask and see what's going on with it. So Cindy says it's working for her. Nick F confirms Robinhood is working for him as well. Morning, brother. Well, what's up? Morning, brother. Jay, good morning to you. Happy birthday, Nick F. Everybody coming in late with the birthdays for Nick F. Yes, yesterday was Nick F's birthday. What's up, Clay? Your boys in Wisconsin, get a shout out. Isaac, absolutely. Shout out to all the boys in Wisconsin, man. Glad to have all the Wisco boys in here. Robinhood is up. Carl also confirms. Hello from Egypt. Hello, Muhammad. How you doing today, man? Sheeb, the real army. This is the real army, man. Clay, give it to me straight. Devil's Advocate, I got you. How bad of a move was it to get another 100 prog, $5 calls for the 19th since the first ones I got were at 70 cents or something, we were at 10 cents. Am I dumb or was it smart? Honestly, I think that was a decent move, man. I think it was a decent move. I don't know if I would hold those all the way to the 19th, but with that dip we had, so honestly, you probably did get in at a pretty good dip here. Prog sitting. Let's pull out Prog for a second because I think that could have been a pretty good move. Where's my Prog at? Down 10% this morning, and all right. So look, here's something that we might want to be a little bit not concerned of, but we do need to notice that this upward channel we had seems to be broken because of yesterday's earnings report. All right, that's why we know we're down is because of yesterday's earnings report, but it does have support here at that $3 mark. Boom, touched it, boom, touched it, boom, touched it. So we are at support right here for that $3 mark. This is my $5. I would like to see it hit $5. That's where I think we're going to have a lot of resistance, but now we're back around that $4 resistance mark since we're down at 3. So we do have support at that $3 mark. If you got it around $3, I think that's going to be an excellent entry. And, dude, honestly, if you got it $3, you're probably already decently in the profit on those. So, me, personally, I'd watch it, man, because we may use this line as a level of resistance now, okay? We may use that bottom edge that was support as resistance. So if we get a nice bounce back up to like 370, maybe even 350 where I'm sitting, we may use that as a little bit of resistance. So, dude, I'm all on board with you guys taking your profits on options instead of holding those. Because options, they have that just inherent time risk with them. So make some money, dude. Make some money. But I don't think that was a bad idea. Breaking that didn't surprise me. I've been thinking it looked more sideways than trend following for a bit now. Yeah, well, especially over the last couple of days. But the earnings report is why we broke that. Peyton says I bought 20 million Shiba at 50.90. Dude, 20 million Shiba at 50.90 was a good deal, Peyton. 20 million Shiba at 50.90 was a good deal, man, because you're sitting at 53.70 right now. So you're doing good. Pulling back a little. Pulling back a little. All right, Shiba. Dude, come on. All right, I want to know what you guys think. 192 people in the chat right now. Is Shiba really going to play this game where it breaks out of its little doghouse for a minute and really has to go back inside of it until the very end of the wedge? Looks like we got one more 4-hour candle. Is Shiba really going to play that nonsense? Oh, boy. I wonder. Is Shiba really going to play that nonsense, man? We come back down to here. We got another 4-hour candle, and then we break out of the wedge. What do you guys think? Does it run home, or does it run today? I hope it runs. I don't want it to run home. Stop that home nonsense. What are you doing, Shiba? Crypto Rocketeer, am I really lagging? Market Combat, this is green. I bought another 32 shares at 37.85 this morning. My bull put spreads I sold for 25 cents are now 2 cents. Looking for a small, quick cash cover calls for tomorrow. Nice, Frank. Dude sold them at 25 cents, and now they're sitting at 2 cents. Excellent trade, Frank. You have to keep AMC up. It is a must. Absolutely, man. AMC up right now. It is a must. We got to keep it on the chart. We got to keep the price up as well. 001 on Shiba. When 001, that's burning 2 zeros. Dude, I say you got a long time before you burn 2 more zeros. I'm gonna be honest. I think you got a long time. I would say a couple years to burn 2 zeros, and I'm not even like no hat on that one, man. I think there's a long time before we 20x from where we're at right now. We're sitting on a $400 billion valuation. It seems like Shiba can't hold the gains. Jeremy, a lot of stuff seems like that when day traders are involved. So if a lot of people are out there day trading Shiba, that might be why it can't hold on to the gains. It's either day traders or nervousness. All right, could be a little bit of nervousness in the market as well. We love living on the edge. Last chance to buy in before we lift, before we get strong, before we work out. Hit the like, drive, and be back later. Pancakes, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to click the like button. Brock will hold the $3 line and stair step back up. Come on, I'm an island boy. Yes, the island boys know that Prague is going to stair step its way back up. Wrestler is right. Saitama and Shiba. Let's get it, Greg. Please don't spam the chat. Smash the like button. Please do not spam the chat, ladies and gentlemen. Jeff Gear, I will hold new 22 Milj Shiba. Renee Vandal, very good. Hello from India. Doc, hello from Ohio. How are you today? All the way over in India, man. It's got to be late over there. Shiba been holding since 0.000009. Not giving up now. Amber, I love it. 5 zeros and a 9. Amazing entry. Bro, again, Clay, have we checked out Jasmine Coin yet? I'm going to be honest, dude. No. I'm going to be honest, no. Oh, man, it was weird last night. I was on the phone with my brother. Shout out to my brother if you're listening right now. If you're not, you should be. Dude, I had a terrible headache last night, man. I thought that I was, like, for sure going to be sick. Oh, it was weird. It lasted probably about a half hour, and then I ate something. I think I got to either do a little bit better job of drinking more water during the day, or eating, or something. I had just a crazy headache. And then I made some jalapeno salsa, and that woke me up a little bit, and started to feel better after that. So, it was weird last night, dude. I got the videos done last night, and then I was like, no, I'm not doing anything. So I turned on Queen of the South, watched 2 episodes, and then went to bed. Shout out to the Real Biological Bro. What's up, dude? If he's in here, man, shout out to the Real Biological Bro if he is in here, but I'm going to be completely honest. If he ever types in the chat, I have no idea who he is. No idea. Like, I know if my sister's in here, I know if my mom's in here, like I know if my dad's in here, but I have no idea if my brother ever types in the chat. Wouldn't even know it. In fact, 90% of migraines cause from dehydration. 80% of Americans are constantly dehydrated. See, the thing is, though, do I need actual water to be hydrated? Dude, I got the tea that I drink during the live stream, and then I've always got like one of those flavored waters, ice cubes, and I do drink some water. I got a water bottle, at least finish one of those water bottles, and I don't know if I would necessarily be dehydrated, but it was weird last night, man. It was a bad headache. It was almost making me nauseous. Saitama Coinbase, that I do not know. More truth facts. I made up those numbers because I forgot the exact ones, but they're close to that. Good looking, man. I burned a cigar and bought more AMC at a discount. Stacks Ape Nation. Good deal, man. Bro, I'm your bro. Frodo, you honestly could be my brother. You honestly could be, man. I would have no idea if you were or were not. Silence! Silence! Didn't want to miss out. What the heck we got here with all the silences? Silence times 3! Oh my goodness. Did we have a... It's probably my brother messaging and saying, dude, I'm in your chat right now. Alright, it is silenced. It is silenced, and we are here. Are we back? We're back! Alright, good deal. Saitama on Coinbase? I don't know. Is Saitama on Coinbase right now, guys? Buy more Shiba Mod. Dudes, Food Critic, let's get it. Why are we saying silence? Amber, these guys think that... Ooh, there's a squirrel. These guys think that anytime my phone vibrates, and I honestly can't hear it. I don't know how you guys hear it. They have to scream silence at me. But it is good because the phone should be silenced when it goes, so you guys don't hear those vibrating noises. Doc Sunny, welcome to the Brotherhood, Doc Sunny. Thank you very much for becoming a bro. Grabbing that green name, you guys know what I want to see. I want to see everybody in here welcoming Doc Sunny to the bros. Thank you very much. AMC Trapper's last message. Your brother is the one spamming hot... AMC Trapper, my brother could be spamming Hot Boys and Girls website. It would be so much better if he just like spammed claybro.com or something. But he could be the one spamming Hot Boys and Girls website. He would actually... No, I don't know if he would do that. He might. I'm pretty sure he's Ape Father's #1 fan. I think if Ape Father and I were live streaming at the same time, I know for a fact he would be watching the Ape Father live stream instead of me. What up, finally? It's Stop Lagging. BP a Legacy. Very good. Glad it's not lagging anymore. Why do I even comment? Welcome, Doc Sunny. It won't last long. Chris, it will last long, man. Thank you very much. That's why you comment. Welcome, Doc Sunny. Thank you very much, Marine Corps Brat. Joe De Jesus, welcome, Doc. Doc Sunny from Amber. Yo, Lil Toch, what's up? What's up, Doc? No carrot there. Yes, it's on Coinbase. Pancakes says Saitama is on Coinbase. Welcome, Doc Sunny. John Goldsmith. Yo, Clay. Check out Suku. Coin grabbed me some earlier. I don't think that is on Webull, man. I get a pretty good idea of all the coins that are on Webull, and I do not think that is one to check out right here. No, it's not. Hey, is it a small coin, man? Is it a small one? Should I add it to the list of 2022 lottery ticket coins that we're going to do? Because I'm getting excited about that. And I want all of you guys to start getting excited about the 25 days of Christmas giveaway. Okay? I want you to all get excited about that. That's going to be fun. You're going to have to watch every single video, every single live stream in December up to Christmas. And then there's going to be chances to win giveaways on every single one. AF Bet 70% here. Very nice. Lewis, Shiberium. Hey, you're asking that's on Coinbase or what? Has AMC become stagnant? It seems like the squeeze has been put on hold for this year. DMP, so I don't know if it's necessarily stagnant, right? There's a lot less people searching for AMC, a lot less people day trading AMC, and so on. But as far as like stagnant goes, it is excellent that AMC is maintaining these price points without the day traders, without the FOMO buyers, and so on. Because we're not in it. We're not buying AMC for day traders and FOMO buyers on a retail pump up. We are buying AMC for the shorts to cover their positions. Now, yes, they are definitely dragging it out. But when they do go to cover, you're going to have a stronger base of people that are willing to hold AMC, and therefore it can go even higher than a lot of us imagine it could. So it's not a bad idea or not a bad deal that it's been trading sideways. Peyton, thank you very much for the super chat. I can send you some. Oh my gosh. I can send you some quitcha for your headache. Quit your whining. Quit your whining, Peyton. Send me some quitcha for my headache, man. Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? Peyton, let me know if I got it. I can send you some quitcha for your headache. He had me with... Dude, I had a dream. I had a dream about that. I had a dream about that triactin. Quit your whining. Boom, roasted. JK, hope you're all good, bro. I'm sitting here thinking about that triactin, and I know for a fact I didn't leave the house yesterday, so I definitely had a dream about that triactin, dude. I was talking to a lady at the cash register, and she said something about something, and I said, "Would you like to try some triactin?" I actually had a dream about that. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's good, dude. Peyton, thank you very much, man. You actually just, with that joke, you reminded me that I had a dream about triactin. That was pretty good. I thought I might have used that in real life, but that was definitely a dream. Dentist by profession, own 2 clinics in India, free consultation for the Shiba community. Nice, Doc Sonny. Anybody in India that needs a dentist, there you go, man. I know Tony spent some time at the dentist lately. He's probably pretty good. But that seems, Doc, that seems like it might be a little far for me to get up to. Man up. That's what I'm saying, Pancakes. Claybro, No Revolution, how you doing? Leaked info on December 24th. The surprise gift is a scandalous Polaroid photo of himself. Well, guys, that's a good Christmas Eve party for you. You might want to tune in on Christmas Eve. I got a question. Okay, I got an answer. Why are some that made money in crypto hating on Shiba still? As in, why are they scared of it? I can see that it's worth... I can see why it's worth the risk, even if it's just a few C's to a gram. I spend more on... Well, yeah, man. A couple reasons, dude. They would continue to hate on Shiba is, one, because they're not in it. And anytime somebody doesn't have an asset, they always hate on the people that do have it, because they're making money and the other people are not. And they just want to keep pointing out the risks of it, because, you know, their coin is always better. Their coin's always, it's got a better project, it's got a better following, it's got a better community, and so on. It's just, I don't know, us versus them mentality. And in all honesty, why does it have to be us versus them, dude? Why can't we just enjoy our Shiba gains? They can enjoy their Bitcoin gains, and we move on with our lives. Get in and out of meetings. Just dropping by to say hi and like, JB, man, don't go to too many meetings today. Hang out with us, dude. Say hello to Santa's little helper. Yes. Marine Corps brat. Yes, Mr. Simon Blatt. Whatever. What did Mr. Simon and Marine Corps brat and Chris say? I guess we have members too. No, you have not, guys. Grandpa Barney. Good morning. It's not #1 search because we need to talk and spread the GME and AMC love and knowledge. Help Grandpa spread the love. Absolutely, Grandpa Barney. Thank you very much for the super chat. And definitely, guys, definitely, AMC and GameStop. They don't have as good of short interest numbers and cost to borrow numbers as Prague. Stocks like Prague and some other stocks out there that have higher short interest numbers. But they certainly do have a bigger community of people that are much more passionate, and a bigger community of people who are willing to hold to longer prices. So I would absolutely never discount the apes in what they say they're going to do, because when AMC and GameStop go to squeeze and the shorts are actually covering, it's going to be a ridiculous explosion in price. Jacob Claybro, good morning. Grandpa Barney, Amber's throwing out the Grandpa Barney emojis there. Can you please explain how a market crash would help AMC? So, Kevin, I personally do not think that a market crash would help AMC. But the thought process behind that is that if the overall market is crashing, one theory says that because AMC had a negative beta, it's going to rise as the market crashes. I don't know if that's necessarily true. But the hedge funds are going to be taking some big losses as the market crashes, and therefore they're going to have less money in their portfolios and more likely to get margin called. So is there more likely to get margin called? We would expect the price of AMC to go up with that. And also, AMC is supposed to maintain its value during a market crash because the people holding AMC are not traditional investors. So just because the market would be crashing, the people holding AMC would be more likely to hold than somebody holding another stock. So those are the theories behind it, but I'm not convinced that that's what we would see. If the overall market did crash, and I'm talking 10, 20, 30% crash, I believe that AMC would pull back as well. Darn, that's some sideways trading on fun. Crypto Rockets here. Are you getting in, man? Do you have fun? Is it time to enter? Options update for 11-12 AMC daily call movers. $46 strike at 9,000 up 2.6 thousand. 42 strike at 8.7 thousand up 2,000. $41 strike 5.2 thousand up 2.4 thousand. $40 strike 9.5 thousand up 1.7 thousand. Chain is tightening for tomorrow. Let's get it, man. Frank, you got any open options right now? You playing anything? Making any money over there? Well, that nice of YouTube to alert the show. Oh my gosh, Pringleton, that you just now got an alert for the show. I rarely dream, and I had a dream about 2 days ago, and I woke up rich from Shiba and Cardano. Very nice, call me Alpha. That's actually a really good dream, man. See ya, Pancakes. Pancakes, be back later. All right, Pancakes, enjoy your breakfast. Since you're going to be back later, I know you're eating. Enjoy your breakfast. Pam, love you. Saitama is not on Coinbase. TLB, thank you for letting us know. Texas Marine here. Much love, brother. Thank you to all the veterans out there. Guys, today is Veterans Day, so make sure you show some love to all the veterans out there. Crypto Rocket 2 with some love. Clay, have you discussed Ortex's guesstimated reductions in short interest for GME? They were saying 8.6%. Are you at all concerned about this? So JB, I have not discussed this, but yes, okay, I am a little bit concerned when the short interest goes down that low, okay? 8.6% is kind of like a normal range for short interest. All stocks should be shorted in some capacity. Now, the funny part, okay, and this is actually pretty funny, okay, if hedge funds are only shorting GameStop at an 8.6% short interest, that means that they're starting to believe that GameStop is not overvalued, okay? Think about that. They would be shorting the crap out of it if they thought that GameStop was overvalued. If they thought GameStop's worth $30 a share, they'd be shorting it. They are finally recognizing that the people who are buying these stocks are not leaving. So, although on one end it's bad for us that, and I don't have any GameStop, right? But it's bad for us if the short interest goes down that low. But it's also an indication that the hedge funds and the institutions out there that do short these companies are realizing, hey man, I don't think it's going to go back down. If they thought it was going to go back down, they'd be shorting it. No, I am not. Twilight Zone, I do not have LRC. Speaking of, my non-vet girlfriend gets to stay home from work while my job has me working and gave me an HR notice that payday is delayed till Monday because of the holiday. Dude, what kind of a company delays payday because of a holiday? They didn't know that the holiday was coming up? What? They didn't understand that the holiday was coming up this year? So, hey, we'll pay you next week. Oh my gosh. Devil's Advocate, you're making me sad, dude. Much love, Pancakes. Drive safely. Yes, Prague. Hamo, are you in Prague too? I got some Prague, man. My Prague's at 350. Where's your Prague at? In a crash, it depends on who breaks first. Hedge funds holding puts will make money, so they make more money to drive further down. But if out of the money traders then go in the money, they may buy. I hate apples. Facts, man. Facts. But overall, like the overall just traditional investor would be pulling out of the market during a market crash. So I think that would have a lot to do with it as well. Not just like apes versus hedge funds, but we can't forget about those traditional investors out there. Thank you, Hamo. What did Hamo say? Thank you for, oh my gosh, just Prague. Okay. I got paid early. Nice! AMC Chapter. Now that's what I'm talking about. That sounds better than getting paid late. Chris, right? Darn it, what did Chris say? Marine Corps, brat. That's why apes have each other's back. I might complain a lot, but I still have legitimate points, even if people don't like. Chris, I think everybody likes you, man. Oh my gosh, got paid early because of the holiday. Everybody's getting paid early, except the veterans out there. They're getting paid late this week. They were totally blindsided by the fact that the holiday was exactly when we all expected it to be. Dang it, man. I hate when that happens. Any thoughts on news? What is news, dude? Is that a stock or is that a crypto? I hold 1 million Shiba. Is that good? Darwin, I think that's great, man. Depending on what price point you want it to get to, I think that 1 million Shiba could be very well. It could perform very well for you. Funny, I'm listening big time on eBay, right? I'm listing big time on eBay right now. All Christmas stuff. Nice, Twilight Zone. Sounds like Twilight Zone's got an eBay store. AMC Trapper, that's how it's supposed to be. This company just sucks to post MOAS. I'm giving them a sorry for your loss card and writing, it's me. And I'm walking out. Nice, Devil's Advocate. Exactly, man. I need help. Do I do Coin Wallet for Coinbase? If so, why? Do I need help? Do I need Coin Wallet for Coinbase? If so, why? Call me Alpha. Yeah, but if you're going to just be holding your stuff on Coinbase, you've got your wallet for each of those coins that you're holding. You don't need to, go get a trust wallet or anything like that. Claybro, only open options currently are AMC bull put spreads. Very nice, Frank. I like it, man. Hopefully you're proud. For this week or what? Did Mr. Simon lose his moderator status because he is always... No, AMC Future Millionaire. It was a temporary win. Speaking of temporary wrenches... just start spamming the chat right now. Let's give a wrench away. We did not do that this morning. Spam the chat right now. Let's give a temporary wrench away for the day. Let's do it. I'm going to take a drink. Spam's going to start rolling in, and then we're going to wrench somebody. Because we got 100 likes. Thank you guys for 100 likes. Don't forget to click the like button. Maybe we can go 200 likes. All right. We're spamming for this wrench. All right, come on, guys. Move the chat. Come on. Let's see. Clay, do you actively day trade? No, I don't actively day trade. I actively look at the market all day long, but I'm not sitting out there just making ridiculous trades. Let's see here. Well, I thought it would have been moving faster than that, but hey, we're just going to give somebody a wrench here. Let's see what happens with it. Oh, nope, that was wrenching somebody that already has a wrench. Can't do that, can we? Add moderator. I know who it was. I know who's got that wrench. I saw the name. You guys see the name? Wait till you see the name. Who's going to call it? Who's going to call the wrench? Who's going to call the wrench? I see it in the chat right now. I see it in the chat. Congratulations to you, my friend. Congratulations to you, my friend. You got your wrench again. Bro, Saitama. Nathaniel, you like Saitama, man? Wrenched up. John Goldsmith got that wrench, man. He's all wrenched up for the day. Click the like button. Yes, guys. Danelle, thank you very much. Click the like button. John, welcome, my friend. Vroom, vroom. Oh, yes. Bro, Saitama. Nathaniel, like Saitama. Yes, Saitama. Saitama, Saitama. Is Saitama on my Excel list? Yeah, it's on my Excel list. Alright, cool. This one I'm definitely going to have to get. Alright. Robinhood app is down. Tara. Somebody said Robinhood was down earlier, but it's up for people. Do you live in the U.S. or where are you from? Because somebody else said that, and it doesn't seem to be the case for some other people. Now you all better behave because John's got that blue wrench. Me. Space Aben wanted it, but unfortunately Space Aben didn't get it. Congratulations, Mr. Goldsmith. Heck yeah, Mr. Goldsmith. Wouldn't let me... Oh, darn it. Crystal, why wouldn't it let you... I saw your spam coming in. There. Saitama, Piccolo, and Safe Moon. All three of the... Nope, Safe Moon is not on my list of 2022 crypto lottery tickets. How are you, bro? Zachariah. Some reason still has a wrench. I'm doing great, Zachariah. Clay, bro, did you fix it so that only subscribers can get a wrench? Asking for a friend. No, actually I didn't do that. You guys are going to have to remind me to do that because I have to turn on subscriber only mode when that happens, and then only subscribers can talk in the chat. So I did not do that. I completely forgot about that. I can't turn on slow mode during that, otherwise nobody will be able to spam. But to do that I have to click on subscriber only mode, and I did not do that. Robinhood down for me in California. Giovanni, anybody else in California have Robinhood down? Because in Ohio, 5 minutes ago, it was not down. Chris, been here for months. If it's not Frank or JB buying their wrenches, definitely not going to spam to lose against the Shiba Inu. No, no, no. What are your thoughts on P-Nu? Is that Piccolo Inu? Because I don't know anything about that, but I know a lot of people want it. My wrench in the post. Nice. Blah. Mr. Simon says, blah. What's a wrench do? Space Aping Wrench, man, gives you a blue name, and you're also a moderator for the day. So you can see all the messages that YouTube hides, and you can decide whether or not to unhide them. If somebody's acting up, you can delete their message, you can put them in timeout, you can block them from the channel, and so on. Robinhood is still running in New Jersey. Thank you very much, John Goldsmith. Really appreciate that. Robinhood is up and running in Europe. Very good. In the EU. Davey, thank you. Appreciate that. Robinhood working for me in California. Cindy is from California and has Robinhood working. Could be your app, man. Maybe you got to reset your phone or something if it's not working for you in California. Cindy, thank you for also being in California and letting us know. Hold up. Why does it matter if you got to be subbed to get a wrench? I know we're all subscribed, right? Right? Are you guys all subscribed? Are you? Are you? I wonder if I can look at that in here. No, not what I wanted to do. I wonder if I can see. They should do a YouTube. If you're listening right now, you should do a live analytics on the amount of subscribers that are here versus unsubscribers. So then I would know that I wouldn't have to worry about telling people to subscribe if 95% were already subscribed to the channel. But we do not have that on live mode. I have to wait for the analytics to come out. I feel like they should be able to do that live, right? Coinbase may list Saitama. Very nice. Coinbase is trying to list every coin possible. Subscriber, Jacob, thank you. Crystal, yes. Ham, yes. Harm, yes. Yes, my button is not red anymore. Davey, click that button, became a bro. I love it, man. Now we're here every single day. We're growing our portfolios together. First, Dono gets a wrench. Peyton, first super chat. What do you guys think about that? First super chat gets a wrench too. Peyton might be on to something there. I think I might like that. Hashtag poop my right. Alice, I don't know if you're right. I don't even know what the question was. Is me wrench holder? Could be. Doc Sunny and willing to burn 1 million sheeps only if only every one of us initiate to do so. That would be a massive burn on the Claybro channel. That would be a massive burn, man. That would be 341 million Shiba burnt because of us. And what's a million Shiba right now? Is that 50 bucks? It's 50 bucks, right? That would be a pretty massive burn. But I don't think people are willing to burn 50 bucks. Claybro coin coming in 2022. Let's get it. We should add that. Wouldn't that be hilarious if we added that to the coin wallet and then all of a sudden that was like the biggest gainer of 2022 was Claybro coin? Burn it. Burn it. Nah, a lot of people spamming. Don't sub to the channel. Come on, spammers. Don't be dumb. Just subscribe to the channel. Listen to AMC Trapper. So, click. Now that my name stands out, yes, you should keep an eye on Suku. Low supply with a growing market cap. Definitely interesting. Is Ethereum based and under $1.25. Nice, John. I'm going to have to write that down. Let's write that. All right, I wrote that. Nope, I just wrote suck. Okay. Suku on my Excel list. And okay, I do want to address this right now since there's some people in here. Is anybody in? Okay, if you have, like, I get it. You for some reason don't like the channel or whatever. Has anybody in here been over the last 3 days reporting the live stream for any reason? Because the last 3 days after the stream is over with, and nothing in the last 3 days has even been weird. Like, there hasn't been an excessive amount of banana eating or hot dog or salt shaker eating or anything like that. But over the last 3 days, the ad suitability for monetization has needed like a manual review from YouTube. And I would assume that it's probably because it's getting some people to report the live stream or something. because nothing out of the ordinary actually took place in the live stream. And they've all been reviewed and like, passed as fine or whatever. But I just wanted to like throw that out there and ask if that was anybody doing that. Like, okay, like I get it, you can do that. That's why they got a report button there. But and I didn't even look at any streams this morning. Can you click dislike? Like, does it show you the amount of dislikes on the video right now? Can you click dislike? Or does it just show dislike under? Because yesterday they announced they were taking away the dislike count. You guys can't see how many people dislike anymore. Saitama is in rally mode. Let's get it. It's because you're making the money. YouTube wants to know. Well, I know that, yeah, but YouTube's fine with it. But I swear it has to be somebody reporting the channel for that. Yes. Oh, well, what the heck was up with that, man? YouTube announced yesterday that they're not showing the dislike count anymore. It's just going to say dislike. You're still allowed to click it, and it's going to say dislike. But it does. They announced that they're not doing that. If 6 dislikes now, one is me. Nice, Devil's Advocate. I see dislikes 5 right now. You guys are just killing me. 3 dislikes, JJ. Thank you. What's the best ETF for market crash protection? Oh man, Joan de Jesus. So, off the top of my head, I don't know what a ticker would be, but you would just want a contra ETF, maybe just like a contra ETF that follows the S&P 500 or something like that. If you want actual protection, I would just get a 1-for-1 ETF. If you start to go 3x leverage, clearly you could do very well with 3x leveraged contra ETF that follows the Dow or the S&P 500, and you could be doing very well on that. I mean, you could be making a lot of money if the market does crash. Market crash is 30%, dude, and all of a sudden you get a 3x leverage ETF, you double your money on it. So you could do well on that, but if you go out there and you buy a 3x leveraged contra ETF that's tracking the overall market, and it goes down 3% one day and shoots back up 5%, you're going to be losing 15%. Does Webull work outside the U.S.? Yeah, do it. So I think there's like 4 or 6 countries that you can use Webull in right now. Canada, I'm pretty sure Canada, U.S., Brazil, and maybe some European countries. Your birthday today, Mr. Simon? No way it's his birthday today. No way. Maybe dislikes or a name or something said. Pringleton. Yeah, possibly. Who would buy Pumpkin Inu? Best coin ever. Bang a grand. I know you would. Only talking dislikes count away. Only taking the discount or only taking that count away from the Binance. It could be, man. Could be. I know that people go in there and really rip those videos. From earlier, news is stock up 20%. Jacob. Is it a stock for real? Why is it up 200% today? Wow. Anybody in Newsy, whatever the heck this is? I don't even know what this is, man. Some serious volume coming in today. Going from $2 to $6.50. Wow, really bouncing. What's the news on this? Okay, so they're getting their coffee into Walmart. Is that what we got? So, Newsy's manufacturing partner, Kuvi Coffee. They're getting their coffee into Walmart. So they are busting out right now. Anybody holding Newsy or News? I don't even know how to say it, but anybody holding that? That's a ridiculous gain you guys got there today. My gosh. Anybody tripling their money on News right now? Clever, those AMC bull puts bought yesterday and expire tomorrow. Very nice, Frank. I hope you kill it on him, man. Not his birthday, just his name day today. His name day. Oh, 11/11. Yes, name day today. Man, you guys are. Just notice that stuff, man. Pringleton, or maybe dislikes because he doesn't cover AMC and GME much anymore. More focused on crypto. Marine Corvette could be the reason. We are focused a lot on Shiba Inu Coin right now because Shiba Inu Coin is running absolutely. But I don't think that would be cause for people to click the dislike button. I don't know. I think they more or less click the dislike button because they just don't like me. No idea where's Grandpa Barney at? Grandpa Barney was in here a minute ago, man. Wow. Wish I was news. Me too. Sell and close Robinhood accounts and show them the power of the Shiba army. Get it. YouTube flags the name Shiba. Man, Pringleton, that would be terrible, wouldn't it? Made $500 on Jasmine Coin in 2 weeks. Nice hip-hop video star. Got Shiba. Needs to be next. Dude, with a 200% gain like that, it would be nice. Killing it on Rivian. Wrestler, what is... I didn't even check Rivian this morning. What did you get Rivian at, dude? Because... had a very volatile day yesterday and a nice looking bottle rocket today, man. $124 per share, up 25% on Rivian. Very good. And look at this, man. Touched $95 this morning and all the way up to $125 right now. You guys could definitely be making some good money on Rivian. I do not have any, but I know some people were buying the IPO yesterday. So if you did, congratulations. You are absolutely destroying it. Grandpa Barney, I heard talk on others' podcast that Weeble is dropping Shiba. Heard anything? Love my brat and trap. No. So I have not heard anything about them dropping. And thank you very much, Grandpa Barney. I just seriously. I don't know what the other person would have been saying on another podcast or wherever you were hearing it, but the promotion to get free Shiba ended today, so they may have been talking about that. So yesterday was the last day to get free Shiba Inu coin for signing up, making a deposit, and doing at least $1 trade in crypto. So I'm not sure if that's what they were talking about, but that would make sense to me because that's the only thing that I have heard and seen about Shiba like no longer being on Weeble is the free Shiba that you would have gotten for signing up and making a deposit or making a sale. Did Elon sell? Yeah, I believe that Elon did sell some of his shares. He's got to pay some $15 billion ridiculous tax bill. We love our grandpa. We do love our grandpa Frodo. Yes, I'm up on Rivian. Very nice, Nick responds. Grandpa Barney, we love you. Definitely love Grandpa Barney. Finally get my free meal of the year for Vets Day. Moonstronaut. Very nice, man. Are you working today or you got the day off? Message deleted from Omar. Sorry about that. Must have been spam. Grandpa Barney loving the hard hat and working Grandpa Barney. There is nothing online about Shiba being taken off Weeble. Yeah, Crystal, that could have been, and I don't know what the other person may have been talking about, but the free Shiba Inu coin is no longer going on. That promotion has ended. Yo, Click, I heard Pfizer has announcements on the 17th or some other day right before the 19th Prague Big Gamma date. Would an announcement be more beneficial than if one came out yesterday? Interesting. It could be, man. It could be. So if you're looking at it in terms of a gamma squeeze or a potential gamma squeeze, then yes, it could be, because that could put, if it's a good announcement, that could put a lot of options in the money that weren't expected to expire in the money. So from that regard, yes. From almost any other regard, at least not that I can think of. But for options unexpectedly expiring in the money, I would say yes. I think we should bombard Robinhood and let them know we will buy Shiba on their platform if they list it. Let's commit to buy $25 of Shiba on Robinhood. Thoughts? Dude, honestly, I don't even think that would cause Robinhood to list Shiba. I think Robinhood's just going to do whatever the heck Robinhood wants to do now. But I do want Robinhood to list Shiba Inu Coin. NT, man. Thank you very much for the Super Chat, NT. NT, how's it going? Hey, NT, how's it going? Yo, NT, how's it going? One more time for NT. NT, how's it going? Thank you very much for the super sticker, NT. Really appreciate that. How's it going, man? A big old bird there, looking good. Clever, you want to share the crypto list for 2022? Yeah, Jelly Bean. So the goal for the crypto list in 2022 is just to throw together like a lottery ticket style play list of all cryptos. And whether it turns out we spend, like $10 on an absurd amount of cryptos, $100 or whatever the deal ends up being, okay? We're just going to throw together a wallet full of potentially worthless cryptocurrencies that could really rocket higher in 2022. Now, we can set some, I don't know, some boundaries in play, like, okay, they can go to zero. I don't care about that. But if you know, something does happen like Shiba Inu coin and it goes to $5 million, it may be worth taking that profit, guys. Like, think about that. You know, these are all risky plays. So if something million X's and all of a sudden we're sitting on a $5 million in the wallet, it might be better to take that instead of just waiting for the crypto portfolio to play out all of 2022. But then there's going to be another portfolio that's going to be a small one, okay? It's a Christmas present. I'm going to give myself a Christmas present for 2022. We're going to buy just a handful of junk cryptos, not open it until Christmas 2022. We're not even going to track that one. I'm not going to open it. We're going to open that bad boy on Christmas Day 2022, and we're going to see what's in it. That's going to be a fun one because we're not going to be tracking its progress at all. But the other ones, yes. And I don't know. I mean, if we end up with like 100 coins or something, or 200 coins, I clearly won't go through the entire list every time we do an update on it. We'll do like the top 5, 10 coins or whatever, and keep updated that way. But yeah, man, I think it's gonna be fun. SEC going after individuals rather than sit it up. Make it so fine. That's ridiculous, man. The SEC thinks that they're trying to save us from ourselves, and I don't get that. SEC charged Stephen Gallagher of Maumee, Ohio, with alleged conducting a scheme to manipulate stocks using Twitter. A SEC, that is just dumb. That is just, like, if you're listening right now, that's just dumb. Pouring in Indiana, early work day, about to go home and hit the grand half pipe. What's a Gandalf pipe. I thought he was like a skateboarder. He's going like a grand half pipe. Ooh. Chris, Gandalf pipe might be different than a grand half pipe. So, Chris, you might need to get back into skating, dude. Channel your inner skater boy and get back into the grand half pipe, man. Oh, gosh. Actually, a little bit more like Bilbo. Gonna calm the nerves from being invisible. You are not invisible, dude. Clay, you need to have someone else set up a Christmas wallet. You can't know what's in there. Otherwise, we'll be surprised. JB. That's true, man. I'll have to think about that. Because, all right, maybe we could do something like that. You know what would? No, I wouldn't even want to do anything like that. I was thinking that would be pretty cool if we did. I don't want to do it this way. But when you said have somebody else do it, I'm trying to think like, who do I put that on, man? Do I let you guys do that? Do I put it on Nick F? Do I have somebody just set up a random portfolio or whatever? But I was thinking it could be cool to do, like, if you guys do have trust wallets or whatever, but then I would know, like, what wallets that I set up in that trust wallet. Because I was going to say, like, just everybody send 50 cents or $1 of something into the coins, but then I would still have to set up the wallets in that in order to receive it. If you could think of a decent way to do that where I wouldn't know what's in it, but if we went out and just did a bunch of random coins, I wouldn't remember everything that's in it. But that is true, man. Like, if it was 5 coins or something, I would be able to cheat on that and look at it. Mr. Simon, sounds like something I'm interested in. What did Simon say? How about if we start with AMC now and we'll buy about 10 shares, and once it squeezes, we put the money into crypto coins? Dude, absolutely, man. I definitely think that would be an excellent idea to do that. Doogie-doo, West Palm Beach. Thank you very much for the super chat. You buy Shiba at CoinCloud machine. Now, check your location. Yes, you can buy Shiba at those ATMs. I did see that before. You can go to those little CoinCloud ATMs that are all over the place. Maybe you've got one in your mall or whatever. You can actually pick that up there. Doogie-doo, thank you very much for the super chat. And if you guys are interested in buying Shiba Inu coin there, you can absolutely do it. Chris, I have so many questions about AMC, but no answer. What? I highly doubt that I'm not answering questions if I see them. Kart seems to be like Mario Kart, but with NFT on DeFi. Fabian, that would be pretty cool, man. Good morning. What are the top 3 metaverse stocks to start doing our homework on? Tony, actually a good question. I don't know too much about metaverse stocks, so if you guys got suggestions out there, do it, Secret Santa. But we each give each other a super low price crypto, and you can't open it until next Christmas. Bam! New investor Christmas tradition because bonds are boring AF. Gosh, headache, man. No, I do think that would be great, but how do you... If you're going to do that... My gosh, I got a headache right now. If you're sending somebody a crypto, they have to give you their wallet address, so you kind of know what crypto you're getting. You just don't know what it would be worth on that day. My gosh, I got a splitting headache right now. Good morning, Broverse. Good morning, Leah. How are you? You hear about India Crypto Exchange listing on Friday. I have not, Nick John. Tell me about it, because we know we got a lot of Indian viewers in here. Utility software for Metaverse, or Unity software for Metaverse. Thank you very much, Luke. That could be a good one. Shill is a new crypto on KuCoin. Supports Metaverse gaming. Very good. Shill. A lot of people do like to call each other shills these days. Valhalla is an upcoming cryptoverse project. Very good. Nick, it seems like you guys know a lot about this stuff. I like it. Drink water for headaches. Yeah, this one was weird, though. It was like right dead center on the top of my head. I felt like somebody hit me with a hammer. Frank would be so much better than this other stuff. Frank said, Marine Corps brat, if I was in charge, crypto wallet, they'd open it and find 30,000 names. Dude, you could do AMC coin. You could do that. Need some Tylenol? I don't know what I need, man. It literally feels like I got cracked in the top of the head right now. It came on when I was doing that. Headache, drink carbonated beverage, and burp. Works well for headaches. This one feels weird, though, man. It literally feels like somebody hit me in the head. Bro, you're the bro. Love your videos. Greetings from Sweden. As Eli. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Greetings from Ohio. Trapper, can you private Grandpa's Twitter, please? Yeah, Trapper, hit up Grandpa on Twitter, man. Grandpa Barney wants to say what's up. Clear, bro, should I buy more Prog? Leah, I think that Prog's got potential to run higher. So it's up to you. I don't know what your portfolio looks like, if it's diverse, if you have more room for Prog in there or not. But I do think that Prog will move higher. How much higher? I don't know. But I do think it's going to bounce back from that earnings report that it had. I don't actually have any pop in here. Ice pack, maybe. I think it'll go away, dude. It was just really weird. Really weird that it just started like that. Adam Aaron is selling his shares. Affect the squeeze. Yeah, so Gage Gonzer, man. I do think that Adam Aaron selling his shares will most likely deter some people from holding AMC. However, I do not think that it's going to affect the squeeze unless he sells those shares directly to hedge funds. That would be stupid. So if he does that, which it's a bank liquidating his shares, so bank is likely to look out for other banks, but I don't know. That's just speculation. So if he sells directly to other hedge funds, that's dumb. But if not, I don't think it's going to affect the squeeze. I just think it's going to affect investor sentiment. Clay, drink what? This is actually apple cider and tea mixed together. It's in here right now. Brandon, congrats. Graduated history. I am not. Open a window, get a good... Ooh, you know what? I should open... Let me go open that door right now. I'm not going to open that window because you guys are probably going to hear way too much. Let me go crack the patio door there because it's pretty nice out today. And maybe Chipper will actually come in. Hello from Ireland. Good morning. Don't spam the chat. Smash the like button. Okay, when I come back, I'm not talking unless there's 200 likes. I see 175 likes right now. I'm not talking unless there's 200 likes when I come back. Nice. We can talk again. Very good. Thank you, guys. Lil Yumper. I like that name. Love the content. Quick question. What do you think is a good starting point in Shiro Inu for new investors? Lil Yumper. Honestly, man, I don't know what Shiro Inu is trading at. I don't know the size of the community surrounding it. I don't know how much hype it has. So I can't recommend a good entry on when you can get in. If you think that, this is from the slime withdrawals, it could be devil's advocate. If anybody in here has more knowledge than I do on Shiro Inu, please help out Lil Yumper on a price point that could be a good entry on that, because I don't know exactly what it's doing, where it's at, and all that good stuff. Where are you? I'm right here, man. I think definitely not hungover, Moonstronaut. Definitely not hungover, man. XYO is a nice bull pennant. Good. You have 20 million Shiba in position at 7,000. Hey, man, I think it's going to go beyond 7,000, okay? If you're worried about the short term, you know, it sucks to be down. But if you're focused on the long term, I think Shiba Inu's got potential. Dude, I mean, we're talking about dropping zeros, man. So, you're down right now, but I don't think you're going to be down forever, man. And actually, that green line, look at this. We drew this green line the other day at 53. Look how well that held up. Pull it out to an hour chart. Where do we come up with that 5,300? Oh, so this is on the daily chart still. That 5,300 line we got right there. Look how well that's holding up as support. My goodness. Really, really holding up. So 5,360 is a good level of support for Shiba today. Hopefully it continues to hold up too, and we stay out of that wedge. We finally made it through. That's pretty cool. All right, AMC sitting at 39.52 right now. Prague sitting at 317. GME sitting at 205. Devil's Advocate, what are the calls looking like on Prague, man? And when do you think they have that news release coming out next week? I may pick up some calls on Prague. Grandpa Barney says, why can't they offer us a share buy, a special share offering, Adam shares? I want some. Dude, listen, Grandpa Barney, that would be an excellent idea, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. But that would actually be, think about that for a minute. Just go through that. If Adam Aaron did a direct buy of his shares as a marketing incentive. I know that the bank controls his shares or whatever, but one, people would want them just because they were Adam Aaron shares. Like, okay, we're buying directly from the CEO. Two, he would establish an even better relationship with the apes, in my opinion, than going out and selling them to potentially hedge funds or other institutional investors. Grandpa Barney, that's actually one of the best ideas I've heard about Adam Aaron selling his shares, because I think that I think a lot of people would respect that more than him just dumping his shares. Even though some people would be like, well, he's just dumping his shares on the retail investors so that they get stuck and he makes money. Like, that would be the Bears' argument towards that. But, dude, I think that would probably be a pretty good idea for him to establish an even better relationship with the Bears, or with the apes, knowing that he has that direct connection with them. I think that would be a pretty good idea, man. Whether or not he could do it. He could directly sell his shares to anybody he wants to, but I don't know if he will. Excellent idea, though. Peyton, thank you very much for the super chat. Peyton says, why don't we just fund our own giveaway? You take all the dono money or half the dono money and buy some random low price crypto and then give them away. We could do something like that, Peyton. We could do something like that, especially for, that might be exciting to do for some of the days of the 25-day giveaway. The 25 days of Christmas, man. That could be an excellent idea, because you know, we could do shirts, we could do random cryptos. We could, if anybody knows how to make a token and you wanted to just mess around and do some sort of a Claybro or Chipbro token or anything like that, we could do some giveaways with that. Even though they might be worthless now, they might be worth something someday. And then, we could do fun things like sticker packs and perma wrenches and things like that, dude, that we could end up doing on all this stuff. But I think that would be a decent idea for a giveaway. It's just some little cryptos that might be worth nothing now that one day might be worth $5 today, dude, but it might be worth 5 million 10 years from now. Too late, Jay says, too late. You are buying Adam Aaron shares if you buy today. Luke, well, there you go. Go buy today. Shiro Inu, not a lot of info to be found. Shady. Elizabeth. Dude, Elizabeth knows a lot about these coins. I would trust Elizabeth, guys. Elizabeth is got a pretty good reputation in here. Clay, semiconductor bull run. How long will it last? Joan De Jesus. Honestly, man, I don't know how long it's going to last. Why do we have a semiconductor bull run going on right now? Are they becoming more? I wouldn't doubt. I wouldn't think that they're becoming more in demand, but maybe is the supply decreasing for some reason right now, or is there some sort of infrastructure, something in the infrastructure bill that could increase the use for semiconductors? What's the reasoning behind the bull run there? AMC waiting for the RSI to hit 80 to 85 at 39.75, possibly cover call entry 41 or 42 expiring tomorrow. Very small position. Nice, Frank. 41 or 42 on a covered call. I like it, man. Frank, could be decent, man. Could be. Let me know if you're gonna get in on that. Man, I got 1,000 loss on PaySafe. It hurts. Fatima. Yeah, I actually did a video on PaySafe not a little while ago. Fatima, nice bounce today. Let's go Wolfpack. Like, let's get it, Sean. I don't know how many people are in the Wolfpack in here. What about the, Doogie Doo, West Palm Beach. So talking about Naked, man. I think that Naked really benefited off the meme stock rally and FOMO that we saw back in January. Now, I don't know if it's going to recover to those prices without some sort of a catalyst like the same thing. So if you're waiting for AMC, GameStop, and some of those stocks to squeeze, then Naked could absolutely benefit. But I don't see another way it reaches those prices again without a catalyst like the meme stock squeeze. Chris, thank you very much for the membership. AMC 8, one dip away from hitting a 100-share goal. Now, that's what I'm talking about, Chris. I love it, dude. Chip shortage, bro. So is that why we got so the supply is decreasing, and that's what's driving the bull run right now? $5.50 calls are 7 cents right now to buy. I'm not 100% sure about Pfizer potential announcement, but I believe I heard someone in another stream mention something could happen on the 17th, but I don't know the details. Gotcha. Yeah, that's actually not bad, dude. Not bad. 7-cent calls on the 7 cents for the 5.50 calls right now. Especially if it goes on a little run next week, that would turn out to be pretty profitable. Lithium is crushing the bulls daily. Well, shoot, man. I don't like when bulls get crushed. Chris, heck yeah, man. One tip away from hitting that 100-share goal, dude. That is awesome. Let's see. What do you think about CoinDCX for listing Shiba tomorrow? Feel the heartbeat. Any exchange that lists Shiba is going to increase the potential buyers and therefore increase the demand for Shiba Inu coin. So I think that is excellent. Anytime any exchange lists it. Thanks. I'll go somewhere else to ask. Good day. Omar, thank you, man. I'm sorry if I missed your question, but opinion on interruption on sell button on AMC and GameStop. So Omar, I do believe that brokers are going to be much less likely to mess around with removing the buy and sell buttons during the short squeeze. So you will likely have some brokers say, due to volatility, we are trying our best to protect investors right now, so you're unable to buy AMC stock at this point because it's too volatile in nature. So I do expect some exchanges to do that, but they better be prepared for litigation and lawsuits if they take away the buy and sell buttons, man, because there are going to be a lot of people watching. What coin do I recommend in addition to Shiba? So I actually sold my Algorand yesterday as it was running higher. I'm probably going to get back into that. So Algorand, Shiba Inu, Raven, and Zcash are the 4 coins that I hold. It's not a recommendation to go out and get them, but I also like Cardano, also like Ethereum, especially if you're already in Ethereum. Some of those bigger names, and I know BAT's been going on a run recently and had pulled back to around the dollar mark, so that could be a good coin to get in as well. There's a lot of them out there, guys, but if you're talking about like lottery ticket coins as opposed to some bigger, stabler coins, I don't know. It all comes down to what you end up getting lucky on and how long you're willing to hold it. Because honestly, if there's a decent project getting started out there right now and they have what it takes to go long term, I think that coin is going to perform very well long term. Naked. Yeah, naked shorts. Let's see. The Shiba 4-hour chart is currently bullish with the MACD and RSI indicators showing strong buying signals amongst investors. If Shiba continues its current rally, it could top the 6,000. Yeah, I agree with that, man. The 4-hour chart on Shiba does look very good right now. And if we pull it out here and go over to the Shiba, it does. We are breaking out of that wedge and holding above it with this 5,300 level acting as support again. So we could very well see a move to the upside now. We are above that 5-period moving average, which could indicate that we are in a bullish pattern now and going to be rising. So I am hopeful that this trend here is going to continue. Let's see. Farming sitting at 32.44. Tesla 1,063. Polygon down 7% today. Interesting, guys. Polygon is down when a lot of the other cryptos are up. So if anybody's interested in getting some Polygon, it's 7% down on the day. You could see a bump there if it ends up following all the other stocks. So let's go over here, and then good deal. Shiba sitting at 55, AMC 39.38, Prog sitting at 313, and GameStop sitting at 205. Do you have an opinion on an altcoin like Dogezilla? Also from Canada here, bro. Very nice, Jonathan. So, Dogezilla, I don't know too much about its project, but it definitely would fall under, coins that I would consider more like lottery ticket plays. So, and like I say, I don't know anything about the project or the team behind it, but if they do stick to it and it ends up developing a community like Dogecoin has and Shiba Inu Coin has and so on, I think it can do very well long term. Simon, so bullish on 2022 NVIDIA and INTC. I have leaps into INTC. Very nice. Very nice, Joan De Jesus. And then Simon said, I work for semiconductor CNC programmer in Silicon Valley. I know next year semiconductor will go up. Insider info. Am at Lamb Research, chip shortage because U.S. cut ties with China, no more chips from China. 1111 Simon, nice, we got the inside info right here, guys. Semiconductors going up throughout 2022. There you go, man. Simon, heck yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. Let's see. Grandpa Barney! Thank you for the super chat, Grandpa Barney. You have more pull than we do. Can you send him a message? And family, Grandpa is asking everyone to send Adam a message on his Twitter to sell his AMC family. Please. It's a great idea. Just saying. Love Brat, Trapper, Devil, and Frodo. Grandpa Barney, I love it, man. Yes, hey, if you guys want to blow him up, blow him up. Because if he's got, I'm sure all of his shares haven't been sold, even if some have. So I think that would be a decent marketing strategy that they probably have not thought of. So if you guys want to blow him up, man, and let him know, hit up his DMs if he's following you and tag him on Twitter. But I think that could be a decent message. Pair everything that is semiconductor will go up 50% next. Oh my gosh. Mr. Simon, we need some 50% gains, dude. I like it. Somebody jump in on some semiconductors and make some money. Mario, thank you very much for the super chat. And Mario, once again, thank you for the super chat. Mods, somebody out there, please, Mario, man, if you wanted to send a message with that and for some reason it didn't come through, guys, pay attention if Mario's got a message and let me know. Because it seems like the message was retracted on the second one and the first one may not have come through. So Mario, if you got a message, man, I absolutely want to see it. And shout out to you if not, if you're just being generous and sending a super chat. But really, really, really appreciate your support there. And I don't want to ever miss any chat that comes with a super. So if you did have one, please get it out there and somebody make sure I see it. Anyone who attacks my fellow 8 Marine Corps brat, we are going to tear you up. Yeah, definitely. Nobody's attacking Marine Corps brat. I know. Someone put up a billboard in my area that says, buy Shiba in San Angelo, Texas. Very nice. Was it one of you guys? Was it one of you guys that put up a billboard that says, buy Shiba? We love our grandpa. We do love Grandpa Barney, man. We do. Dude, Dogelon, crazy name. Your thoughts? Tony, yes. Crazy name for sure. Also, my thoughts, if it develops a community, it could go up, but at this point, I still think it's a very big risk and could end up just being, some sort of a hype or some sort of a pump and dump. But until it develops that community, you don't know if it's got that sustaining and that stabilizing power that is really going to drive it higher long term. Pause. I thought he wasn't in control of his shares and how they got sold as per paperwork. He filled out about selling them when he was originally disclosed to us months ago. Yeah, so the bank is selling them, right? He He's got his shares set up in an account where, and dude, I honestly think he put them in this account so that he could sell them and not have the apes be upset about him selling them. All right, like I honestly think that's one of the reasons that he did so. So, and it also helps with insider information because any executive that has shares like that always gets looked at if they're going out and selling a large sum of shares. So, for a bank to go out and do it, I don't think that, and I don't know all the regulations, right? But I don't think that it would be any insider trading. I don't think that it would be any conflict of interest if he gave the bank guidelines on like how to dispose of his shares. Maybe when to dispose of his shares, but as far as like how, meaning sell them to institutions or hedge funds and so on, I don't think that that would be against any rules. But once again, I don't know because I didn't write the rules. Mario says, Crypto Rocketeer, thank you very much. Just bought 18 more shares of AMC. Thanks for all the important info you provide. Mario, man, thank you very much. And Crypto Rocketeer, thank you very much for getting that chat out there. Really appreciate both of you guys, man. And Mario, awesome. Look at Mario bought 18 shares, and look what happens. Mario is causing the price to pop right now. $39.56 up to $39.76. Mario causing a 20-cent move in AMC right there. I love it, Mario. Making big moves, dude. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Mario's making the stock price move. Shiba sitting at 54.87, Prog sitting at 315, and GameStop sitting at 206 right now. Look at AMC. Kyle, that's Mario, man. Mario buying 18 shares. Just shot the price up. I like it, dude. See, Adam, if you're selling your shares, how about selling to retail investors? We will buy it. Keep it out of the hedgie's hands. Apes stronger together. Nice, man. That would prove that he's an ape, right? If they're stronger together and we're selling each other our shares, we should all tweet all characters of apes to Jim Chanos and Jim Cramer and to see what they start saying about AMC. Yes, we should, man. Yes, we should. Especially that Jim Chanos dude. That dude. I think both of them are a little far off in the deep end there, but yeah, I don't know. It's time for CEOs to have another party sell for them. JP Morgan, though, yeah, Luke, especially like that's how they can avoid like insider trading lawsuits and things like that. And not every time a CEO sells a stock, it's insider trading, right? It's just that they're looked at more closely than somebody else because they know what's going on with the company. Thanks, Mario. Absolutely, thank you, Mario. We all wanted that bump right there, and you're the one that provided it for us. Just joined the live. What's going on with Shiba? Kyle, Shiba is bouncing out of the wedge that we've been in for the last, I don't know, really a couple of weeks on the 4-hour chart there, and we could be sustaining some upward action now. Clay, if you make any more moves on Prog, I want to hear about them within what you're allowed, comfortable to. Yeah, Devil's Advocate, no problem, man. I am thinking about those calls. I guess if I do get into a call, I mean, I can let you guys know. But I'm going to check those calls out probably in between live streams and see what they're looking like. Like you said, he could direct the method of sale, not the timing. Yeah, I think he can direct the method of sale, right? I'm not exactly sure if he can, but at least I think that would be a good marketing strategy, man. And I know he's trying his best to build a relationship with the so-called apes and drive them into movie theaters, but I think that would be a pretty good move. How many Shiba must we have? Artie kids. Depends on how much money you want to make and how much money you've got to risk. Let's see. Leah is in here. Wrestler, amazing. I'm a newbie. Here, my Prog bro. Learning every day. Thanks, man. Heck yeah. Wrestler helping Leah out. I love it, dude. As Shiba was just listed on CoinDCX, and someone mentioned in an earlier chat, it would give a bump. Will it give us a bump today? Yeah, Elizabeth. I hope that it does give us a bump today with more eyes on Shiba, with another exchange listing Shiba, kind of validating its longevity there, and kind of bringing it more into the public's attention as a sustainable coin and not just some pump and dump coin. And dude, look at Mario, man. Mario is just blowing us up right now with this price run we got going on here. Mario, thank you, dude. Mario, you know Mario caused this right here. Mario gets in with 18 shares and boom. Heck yeah. PDP, man. Thank you for the PDP. Guys, It's time for the PDP. You ready? A PDP, a PDP, a PDP, a PDP, Pete, a PDP, a PDP, a PDP, Pete, a PDP, Pete, a PDP, a PDP, a PDP, Pete. A PDP, Pete. Last time, if you're not doing it with me. A PDP, a PDP, a PDP, Pete, a PDP, Pete. Petey Pete, man, thank you very much for the super chat. By far, one of my favorite ones, man. If you're not having fun today, you should be now, because the Petey Pete makes everybody have a good time. I'm holding 10 million Shiba. Should I buy more? Chris, if you want to buy more, man, there's nothing wrong with holding more than 10 million. LFGO with AMC, bought more AMC. Let's go, Petey Pete. We got that run coming in. Back to 40, man. We're going back to 40 right now. Let's see, how many Shiba do you own? Nicholas, my average is at 5,500 points per coin right now. But overall, like values of portfolios and stuff, I do not mention the overall quantity in which I'm holding and so on. But I don't have a problem telling you guys my average, like if I'm up or down on something. But average is 5,500 right now. AMC 39.90. We're going back into the 40s today, baby. Let's get it. Oh, yes, GameStop running right along with AMC. Might be hard for you guys to see, but GameStop up 4.29%. AMC up 4.10%. Shiba's up 9.17%. Prog down 10% today. Very, very nice run we got in AMC, Shiba, and in GameStop right now. Looks like a God joint. Yeah, smoked something. Michael, maybe. PDP, congratulations on more AMC. Oh, yes. Once more, please. Aaliyah, PDP only gets brought out during the PDPs. Can't do it again. No encore unless we see another PDP. But AMC. Yes, AMC running and looking good. Twiggy, Clay rules and Shiba 2. Oh, Clay rules and Shiba 2. Greetings, my friend from Portugal. After a day off work, it's good to be here. Twiggy, eu espero que você tenha ótimo dia no seu trabalho hoje. Brittany, thank you very much. Brittany knows what time it is. It's time to get hard. Oh, like a diamond. Brittany, thank you very much. Get hard like a diamond, guys. It's that time of day. It is. Let's do it. Brittany, thank you very much. Really appreciate the diamond super chat there. One of the best ones, guys. One of the best ones. If you're not hard right now, like a diamond, I don't know what you're doing. Thoughts on Limecoin or Iotex? Limecoin, never heard of it. Iotex, a lot of people come in here talking about that, so I would expect that to go higher than Limecoin, but it's the first time I heard Limecoin. PDP, you made my day. PDP seems to make everybody's day. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know how things get started like that, but PDP is an absolute staple. Coming in here with the PDP, man. And it hits different when it comes from PDP too than somebody else. But it just hits different. It's like the original PDP, man. I love it. I bought 1 billion Shiba yesterday on the dip. Brian doing very well today then. That's what she said. Yes, it is, wrestler. Yes, it is. Morning, I just bought the dip on Shiba. Thanks for the daily SHIB coverage, man. Lenny, thank you very much for watching daily. Solano getting added to Weeble. Yes, Solano getting added to Weeble. It's not on there yet, though. You can't trade it yet. Nick F, that's gonna be one that I might pick up. I know it's trading in the 200s. It's not some like baby coin or anything, but with NFTs continuing to grow, I think Solano is gonna continue to grow as well. It gets stuck in my head. It gets stuck in my head too. Like it's just not on. I've done it off stream before. I've done it off. Like, has anybody out there done the PDP off stream? Because I've done it off stream. It's happened. Saitama is indeed in a great phase. Very nice. And I think it could go, I'm so hard. Nice, wrestler. Nice. Like a diamond man. Evergreen collapse caused the shorts to cover. Waldaroo, I don't think it's going to cause the shorts to cover, man. I do think that it could cause some ripple effects, but I don't think it's going to cause some huge, just adverse move in the market or cause so much risk that the hedge funds have to close out there. Click how many shares are still out there to buy. I Get Retail owns 80%, and we're waiting for them to cover, but are we essentially just switching hands with the same shares until one side has more? Yeah, Chris. So To say that there are no shares left to buy, one of the ways you can look at that is looking at the cost to borrow as well. Okay, now that simply means the utilization rate. The utilization rate will also drive the cost to borrow up. But if there's no shares left to borrow, that means that the holders that hold the shares of AMC are unwilling to lend them out, or the amount of short shares have just gone out and borrowed so many that there's just none remaining. So that's one reason. That's one thing that you can look at to determine how many holders are actually holding. But as far as how many shares are left to buy, yes, we are just swapping shares left and right all day long, man. Share for share for share for share. That's what the volume is. You will know when there's no more shares left to buy when the volume goes to zero, okay? If volume goes to zero, that literally means there are no shares being bought. So that is an excellent indicator on when the amount of shares available for purchase are declining. Will we ever get there? I highly doubt it. I think that people will always be buying and selling their shares of AMC because not everybody is an ape. But that's one thing that you can look at to determine when there are no more shares left to borrow or buy. Our buddy has been in Solana for over a year. Oh my gosh. Nick F, that is awesome, man. So I would assume when it was less than like 20 bucks a coin, right? More than 10x on it. Yes, Devil's Advocate. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Devil's Advocate said something. Question. If you don't plan on holding into expiration, is it better to always get the furthest out of the money calls for increased volatility? Not necessarily, okay? Increased volatility, maybe, but you are likely to have less buyers if it's that far out of the money. So going as far out as possible is going to give you that lower entry price and potentially more volatility, but you're going to have a higher spread, and you're also going to have less buyers willing to buy that, especially if you're getting closer to expiration. So I would say no. It's not always better to go as far out as possible because you want to be able to get something that's got a low spread, that's got high volume on it. There's a lot of buyers and sellers out there, and the volatility isn't always something that should be like first and foremost. You want to make sure that you're still getting a decent deal on the spread and being able to go out there and just get rid of it when you want to get rid of it. Clearbro, is this super obvious resistance on the Prog 1 minute chart abnormal? I feel like it's the hardest lines I've seen before. Let's see. Prog 1 minute. Gosh, dude. Like right in here, I don't know, man. If you're on the Prog 1 minute and you're kind of looking at this is kind of trading like it was before when it was a lot of barcoding, man. So if you remember a couple months ago when you very first got in, or you know, a little over a month ago when you were getting in and it was barcoding a lot, that's a lot of what we could be seeing here. And I think it might just be, is it because of lower volume or what's the... So volume could be waning a little bit and we might be having lower volume, which might be making us kind of barcode on the 1 minute chart for Prog. Will Brown says, favorite food? Love the channel. Saitama is lit. Oh, dang, man. Favorite food? If I'm making it, I like to make quesadillas and fried rice. Okay? I also just like to eat quesadillas and fried rice in general. But I don't know if I have like an absolute favorite. Okay? I love popcorn. I love chips and salsa. I love tacos, quesadillas, fried rice. I love a good burger. Made some steak pizza the other day that was pretty good. But, dude, some chicken tenders. Chicken tenders are delicious. I don't know. Foods like that, man. Just I'm not like a super fancy dude that I got to go out and have some T-bone steak or anything. I would actually probably rather have a good burger than a steak. Saitama's in rally mode. Let's get it. Elizabeth, you speaking of being hard like a diamond. You enjoy those. Oh, my gosh. sometimes you just gotta not. So it's just barcode stuff. From right now, I think so. But what I just looked at there, I would say yes. Be careful, Taco Tuesday leads to Windy Wednesday. I guess it depends on where you get your tacos there. Feel the heartbeat. Tom Chow, I'm holding since April. Very nice, Nicholas. Saitamask 13th, gonna be awesome. A lot of people pumping Saitama in here now. All right, very interesting, guys. You put me on, so if Shiba hits, I'll donate 1,000. Sammy! Nice, Sammy. But you don't have to, guys. Like, listen, even if you go out there and you made $1 million, please don't feel like, man, dude, this dude was talking about Shiba one day, so I went and bought some. I definitely got to send that dude a $500 super chat or anything like that. No, that's not the mentality that I want everybody to have. I want you to enjoy your gains any way that you feel necessary. So if you do feel like, well, shoot, made $1 million, I'll drop a super chat, whatever. Excellent. I'm completely cool with that. But if you're like, shoot, made $1 million, I want to go donate $700,000 to some charity. I'm cool with whatever you want to do with your money. Just, I know some of you guys are like, well, I'm going to go spend it on a wicked party in Colombia for 3 weekends in a row, and then I'm going to drop $1 million. Like, it's your money. Do whatever you want with it, but try to be reasonable, please. Let's see. Is 7,000 possible today? I'm going to say no. We've got some more. We've got 2 lines of resistance before we would get to 7,000. So I'm going to say not today. Clay, oh my goodness, that message was private. Oh no! I got my AMC cover call entry for tomorrow at $42 for 42 cents with a 0.40 fade. Bam! I've got an addiction. Frank, man, I'm glad that addiction makes you money instead of loses you money, though. Good job. AMC rolling for 40. We're going to hit 40 on AMC right now. I know we're going to do it. We hit it back there, but we're going to do it here, and we're going to cross above it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, dude, I was just so close to clicking the X on Streamlabs. That would have been terrible. That's why I haven't bought any Saitama. Gas fees. Dang, man, Elizabeth knows. What exchanges are selling Ripple right now? Don, actually, good question. I don't know all the exchanges that have XRP listed because of the lawsuit that was out there. I know a lot of them took it off. Which coin to buy to make a quick profit right now? Almost all of them, dude. A lot of them are running today. If you're trying to buy a dip, Polygon's dipping today. Shiba, I'm sure you can make a quick profit on Shiba today. It's in a nice uptrend. I think you're going to be doing well on any crypto today because they're bouncing back nicely from yesterday. There's it. No, Luke. No. Come on now. Only 10%? Yeah, only 10%, dude, but 10% is still a good gain. XYO for quick crypto banger. There you go. Luke says XYO. Thanks, Will. Heck yeah, what did Will say, man? I don't even know what Will said, but thanks, Will. Amber L-Bank is the cheapest way. Saitamask will help with the fees on Saturday. Nice, Will. Thank you. Yes, that's why I thought. That's what I thought. Thank you. Don, thank you, man. Harley Diamond. Elias, man. Heck yeah, dude. Gotta get Harley Diamond. Got a Saitama last night at 8 p.m. and I'm up $250 already today. Brandon, nice, dude. AMC about to break 40. AMC's gonna break out of that $40 line and it's gonna roll higher. I love it, man. I love it. And I did want to address. So if you guys are, take a page out of Frank's options playbook there, man. I know some people have been talking about day trading AMC lately because it has been trading sideways and in the wedge and all of that good stuff. So if you are considering day trading AMC, you've been holding it so long now that I just want to point out, if you're getting bored and you need to day trade, options are a way that you can take advantage of the daily volatility without selling your shares back to the hedge funds, okay? I know a lot of people think that options are a bad idea because people lose money on them, but people lose money on them because they go out and buy a $145 strike price and expect it to expire in the money by tomorrow night. So that's a gamble, right? But if you're buying that $145 strike, or if you're buying a $50 strike on AMC and it goes up 2%, you might be able to go out and cash in a quick 10% on your options. Just sell your option. So There are strategies that you can use to take advantage of the daily moves in AMC without day trading AMC. So if you're interested in that, I mean, we could talk a little bit more about it, but I'm still not on board with actually day trading AMC at this point. And really any point until after the squeeze. I don't want to create that environment where we could be selling back to the hedge funds. Brittany says, do you know anything about loop ring? Aside from the fact that Grandpa Barney made a killing on loop ring and a lot of people are getting into it, I don't know like any underlying projects or anything like that. So there's probably a lot more people in here that know more than I do about loop ring, but people have been making money on it. So Brittany, thank you very much for the super chat, and I open the floor to any of our in-house loop ring experts because I know some of you have traded it. I know some of you have made some money on it, and you could answer the question much better than I could. Don't buy weekly options, please. AMC Trapper says, don't buy weekly options, especially if you don't know what you're doing. I mean, you can make some money on weekly options if you're willing to get in and get out, but you can absolutely lose some money by buying weekly options as well. I learned so much from you. Much appreciated. Scott, really appreciate that, man. I mean, guys, positive feedback is always welcome, so thank you very much, Scott. Let's see. Elizabeth, I'll be 100% honest. I have no idea what that means, but I'm going to assume it's dirty, and I'm interested. I'll tax your taxable account. Nice. Marine Corps Brett, whoever just brought up loop ring, because that caused me to skip. No! It did not, Chris. You're never going to get skipped. What did Chris say? Literally I have 5 immediate things on the post-squeeze to-do list, then living life cheaper than Mr. Krabs. Dude, nobody lives life cheaper than Mr. Krabs, man. Nobody. Familiar with EVG? Oh, bought a few December 17th $21 calls today and made some good gains, trying to figure out if I should take profit or let it ride and see what happens. Mini Ape. So I am kind of familiar, but I don't know. I haven't looked at the chart in quite some time. So if you bought calls out for December, man, and you're looking at whether or not to get rid of those, if you pull out a daily chart and you're kind of looking to see what happens. So you bought oh man, this is dangerous, dude. This is dangerous. Sitting at 1802 right now, busting new high after new high. I will tell you, if this price action doesn't sustain itself, you're gonna lose money. So the good news is we came up here and you touched this level of resistance, okay? The bad news is if that resistance holds up to be like we can't break it, you could fall all the way back down to $16 and most likely like $14.75, $15. So I don't know where you got them at, but if you can't sustain this sort of action here and you didn't get them like back here, then I would say be a little bit more conservative if this line looks like it's giving you more trouble than you're willing to deal with. That would be how I would look at those. So 18, 19 bucks is your area. I would say more like 19. I'd say 19 bucks. That's where you bounced off today. Yeah. I'd say look at that, man. If you can't get beyond that, I'd be more conservative. How much time does it take to reach a penny? I think it's going to take a long time to reach a penny. Clibro, I will hold my money so tight, I'll alert a penny squeal. Nice, Marine Corps Brett. Now that's what I'm talking about. Don't let go of your money ever. Click. Not now. We need to talk about options more. I want to get into them, obviously, for bigger gains. I get more risk, but realize I could have hit. Yes. So Chris, definitely, guys. So look, if you're thinking about options, okay, options, and a lot of people do view options as much riskier, and essentially they are, because if you're looking at it this way, let's say you go out and you just spend $20 on an AMC option, okay, or any stock for that matter. It doesn't have to be AMC, but AMC can literally move $1, okay? It moves from $39 to $40 per share. All of a sudden, your $20 that you spent on options gained 15, 20, 30% in value in the same 5 minutes that AMC gained 1%, going from $39 to $40. So the gains are much bigger, but you also have that risk of expiration. So if AMC pulls back and you're owning shares of AMC, who cares? You can just sit on them. You can hold them until it goes green again. If AMC pulls back and you're holding options, then not only are you fighting against time to get back up there, but you are drastically lower because the price fell, right? So just if it falls $1, just like if it rose $1 and you're making 10%, it could fall $1 and you could be down 10%. So you've got that leverage that's out there, and you've got that expiration date that you need to fight against. But yeah, there's a lot of money, and I know, guys, it's fun when you see a lot of people on YouTube and TikTok and all these guys that are out there, and they're like super mega rich. They're driving Ferraris, and they say they're options traders. Like, it's enticing, right, to want to go out there and do that, but you've got that added risk. So if you're okay with that risk, I say go for it, man. It's not like it's gonna ruin your life or anything, but you need to know that you've got that added risk, but you've also got the added reward. Only thing I know about options is that I'm buying more than I should, and I don't care. I need some money to pay for these hotel rooms with Elizabeth. Oh my gosh, gotta get that money somehow, man. Thoughts on Rivian? Seems overpriced right now. Nathaniel, Amazon also seems overpriced right now, right? Doesn't it? Anything Amazon touches turns to gold. Lucid launch ready. Let's get it, man. SHIB tomorrow. Go. SHIB or SHIB? Do you think Vet will go to a... man, I don't know if it's going to reach $1 this month or not, man. I would hope that it would, but I don't even know what it's trading at right now. Congratulations on reaching 60K by the end of Friday. DD214. You can't congratulate me on something that happens in the future. But if we do reach 60... Okay, what are we at right now? You think we're going to reach 60,000 by Friday? Dude, if we reach 60,000 by the end of the day tomorrow... I don't even know what we're at right now. That might mean a DD214 shirt. I don't know, man. Hey, fam. Happy Veterans Day. Special love to all my airborne brothers and sisters. Riptide Redemption. Absolutely, man. Shout out to all the vets in the chat. Adam Aaron, AMC Insider, sold $53 million in stock. Not 53 million shares. He didn't have 53 million shares. Talk about Shiba. Elias. We were talking about Shiba all morning. You might have missed some of it. But Shiba holding up very nicely above this 5,300 point per coin support that we have now. You guys can see that it bounced off it here, dead on, and we're using that as a level of support now. So very good. What do you think, guys? What do you guys think about Shiba? I like Shiba. Okay, so which crystal ball for AMC accepting SHIB end of quarter? No, Dominic. I don't think it's gonna be 2021. I think it's gonna be more likely early 2022. Hello, Maureen Corbett. I've been here just focused on my self-evaluation. I hate these things. Oh, my gosh. We love the SHIB. We love the SHIB, Elizabeth. Riptide Redemption, man. Throwing those hearts out for Riptide Redemption. I like it. AMC Trap is the man. Hey, Brody, came across your channel. Keep doing your thing. Shiba Army. Ricardo Ramos, thank you very much. Definitely, man. Hopefully you subscribed to the channel when you came across it. AMC Trapper, yes, sir. Thank you. Leah. Damn, man. You guys are all... I love it, man. Where can a noob learn playing options? I love it. Man, of course, there's a basic playlist and options. Yeah. I don't have any playlists. I don't know why I cut out like that. I don't have any options videos, but I do think that, if you guys have questions about options, could be a decent place to ask questions. Like if you go watch Matt Core's videos and you didn't understand something, or if you're watching somebody else's videos and you kind of want some clarity and they're not live or they're not answering, then, I feel comfortable enough to be able to answer some of the questions. What do you think about IOTX? A lot of people like IOTX. It's about that time. We'll see you guys later, but will you see me in this question? Yes! JK, hope everyone has a good lunch break. Nice! It is 1 o'clock, guys. Real talk. I love self-evaluations because I always rate myself stupid high and pretend I don't spend my days in this chat. Makes my super racer tell me why he had to lower it. Classic comedy. Devil's advocate. Nice, dude. Good strategy. Good strategy. Oh, God, dude. We're not going to go on a rant about supervisors specifically rating you average Even if they have to rate you average if they don't have a promotion ready for you. So even if you were above average and they don't have a promotion ready for you, they have to rate you as average. One of the dumbest things I ever heard in my life. So yeah, those evaluations, nonsense. Those evaluations are nonsense. You do you, man. Have fun doing you. Be the best you that you can be, but have fun. All right, Crypto Rockets here. Boom! Dabbing on them like always. Clay, you might want to do some videos on options because you explain way better than most. Oh, thank you very much, Trapper. I appreciate that. I probably should do some sort of like an introduction to options or some sort of an intro series, just basically explaining like call options, put options, and what the difference is, breaking it down as simple as possible because a lot of people, options like overwhelm people because of that added risk and that added leverage that they start to think, nah, man, I don't even want to tackle them. But, I mean, in all honesty, it's just like trading a stock. There's just an expiration date you got to worry about. That's really all it is. But with that being said, guys, it is 1 o'clock. We're going to take a lunch break. Go eat. Go do some work if you got to do some work. Whatever your deal is, go have fun for the next 2 hours or so. We will be back in the 3 o'clock hours, so make sure to come back, check out for that. If we got any videos that come out in between the live streams, check those out as well. Let's see. Get your names in the chat right now for a shout-out. Webull, Binance. If you don't live in the U.S., you can use the Binance link down in the description. Check all those links in the description. All that good stuff. You guys know what it is. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. DD214 says we're going 60,000 by end of day tomorrow. So do not let DD214 down. We got to hit 60K by the end of tomorrow. AMC Chapter says, peace out to all the diamond-handed apes. Elias Leah, thank you for being in here and being active. Mo for Riptide Redemption. Frodo, the future Clipper is president of the USA. We don't need food. We don't need food ever, man. Thank you very much for the beautiful name there. I like that. Julie Miller, bye-bye. See you later. Danelle, bye-bye. AMC Chapter says, peace out to the Shiba Army. Oh, yes. And Marine Corps. Brett, let's talk AMC when we come back. Please, absolutely. Cindy, Riptide Redemption, Empty Shells, Christian, Candyland, X-Ray, Leah, Marine Corps, Brad, Devil's Advocate, peace out, man. Brittany Pringleton, JJ Frank, our in-house options expert on AMC, Elizabeth, it's all true about Devil's Advocate. It is all true. Go Shushin, Pringleton, DD214, Idol, Gopal, Nick Response, peace out, man. All right, guys, you know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.